Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I just created this home page of admin module of quiz or exam management system project. In this video I am going to show you for the add new question. If you are not seen my previous video, just go to description and check out the link. Okay, so let me close this application and let me create a new JFrame for this. JFrame form, add new question. Okay, clicking on finish. Now the first thing is we are going to increase the sizes to 1066, 535. Okay, let me click on OK. And going to the properties, first we are setting is always on the top. Okay, after that we are going to remove min, max and close button from this. You can see here. After that we are setting the location where this form will be open. So here I am just writing for the x-axis is 150 and for the y-axis I am just writing 183. Okay, let me close this. Now let me minimize this. After that, first we need here a label, and in this I am going to insert icon. That one is our all question. Okay, sorry, all question. Now add new question. You can see, let me close this, let me double click on this, remove this. Okay, after that we are using another label. Read this text, add new question. Okay, and let me make it as, going to the properties, changing the font, making it as bold, making it as 40. Okay, and also changing the text font to this one. Okay, let me click on OK, let me close this and making it as little bit up. Okay, after that we need here a button. Let me place it, and in this I'm going to insert icon. That one is our close, and let me close this. After that, double clicking on this. Okay, let me read this text, remove this, and let me place it little bit right. Okay, and after the creating upper part we need here a separator. So I'm just moving to the swing menu, and here I'm just placing the separator, increasing the size to the max. Okay, and this side also, and after that let me check out the size 1066 and 3535. Perfect. After that, first we are going to use a label here one by one. This label is for the question ID, question ID. Okay, after question ID we also need to display the ID, which will generate it automatically. So for that we are using a database. Okay, leave it, that's why we are using label. Okay, after that question, let's write the question. For that we are taking the label. After question we are going to, for the option 1. Okay, and after the another label we are taking here option 2. After option 2, okay, it's get removed. Let me write it again, option 2, option 3, and after that we need another label. That one is for option 4, option 4. Okay, and the last option we are having to, for the answer. Okay, and for this we also need here the text field. So, and one by one we are going to insert for this text field 1, text field 2, text field 3, text field 4, text field 5, and the last text field we are selecting here, text field 6. Okay, first we are increasing the size of this field, these labels. Let me select this all labels and going to the properties, making it as bold 20. Okay, let me close this. After that we are also increasing the form J text field, sorry, making it as bold 20. Okay, close, and let me arrange this little bit right. Okay, one by one. Okay, let me increase the size of these fields. Let me make it as 700. 701, leave it. Okay, one by one we are going to increase the sizes to the same. Let me decrease this a little bit. 701. Okay, 701. Okay, increasing the size of this. Field 5 also, and at last field 6. After that we are going to edit this, remove this text from these fields. Edit text, remove this, edit text, and let me remove this all one by one. After editing, here we also need 2 more buttons. So let me place button 2 and one more button, that one is button 3, and we are increasing the sizes to, going to the properties, making it as bold. We are setting it to the 20. Okay, let me close this. After that the first button is let me select one button, let me delete this text and save, and the next button is for the clear clear. Okay, let me make it a little bit left, and after that we are going to insert icon in it. The first we are going to insert save icon. Okay, and after that we are inserting the clear icon. Okay, it's automatically increasing in size. Let me decrease it again. Okay, what happened? Okay, let me change this to the layout so that it will not affect. After that we are going to the properties and let me change it to the clear icon, and let me close this. Perfectly fit. And now we also need to insert background image. So we already converted, so we just need to insert here label, going to the properties, and here I just need to select all pages background admin. Okay, the image name is okay. Let me place it perfectly on it and double click on it, and you can see, let me click on backspace, it gets removed the name. Okay, one more thing, we just need to change this color. Let me make it as red. Okay, let me close this. Now our front end part has been completed. Now we are moving for the back end. So first we are going to write the codes for create the package. Okay, so first we are going to create a new package in this new package, and the package name we are writing is project. Okay, you can see, and in this we are going to create a class. That one is a connection provider class. Let me click on finish. And before writing the code in this, first we are going to move to the MySQL database. I'm using MySQL database, and in this I'm going to create a database. Create database, and I'm renaming it as Quiz Exam Management System, QEMS. Let me use QEMS. Okay, you can see database changed. It means that it's successfully created. Now we have to write the codes. So before writing codes, we are also going to add a library. So add library, and here you just need to select MySQL JDBC driver. If you're using MySQL, you just need to select this. If you're using PostgreSQL, you just need to select this one. Okay, I'm using this, that's why I'm selecting that. You can see it added. Now the first thing is we are going to import here, import java.sql dot this. Okay, after that we are going to create here public method in it, static connection get con. Okay, and in this we are going to write try catch. Okay, and exception e. Okay, it's showing error because we did not return anything, that's why it's showing error. Not a problem. Class dot for name. Okay, and in this we have to write com dot mysql jdbc dot driver. Okay, after that we have to write connection. We have to create the connection con equals to driver manager. You can see dot get connection, and in this first we have to write the, let me minimize this. First we have to write the URL. So the URL is jdbc, and after that mysql local host 3306 after slash, and we have to write the database name QEMS, our database name, Quiz Exam Management System. After that we have to write the I'm just writing the default username of MySQL database. After that we have to write the password. Password is 123456 for my database. Okay, so return con, we are returning a con, and after in the catch block we are returning the null. Any exception will be generated in that case, null. Okay, so you can see the error is automatically get removed. After that we have to, let me close this. After that we are moving here. Before moving here we just need to create a table. So here I just move to our MySQL console, or can say command line. So here I just need to create table, and the table name means question, and in this first we are creating ID varchar. We are selecting, and here I'm just writing 10. After ID just name varchar. We are taking the name, it has 500, and the option opt1 we are taking varchar, and I'm just taking the 500 is also opt2 varchar, and here I'm just taking 500 opt3 varchar. I'm just taking it as 500. After that option 4 can say varchar, we are also taking it as 400. After that, at last we have taking answer column, and we are also taking varchar here, taking it as you can write here 500, sorry, 500, or all should be showing. Okay, 500. and let me create this table. Let me show the description of this table. Okay, you can see ID, name, option, option 2, option 3, option 4, and the answer. Okay, our table has been created. Now we are moving to this part, and I just need to move to the save action performed, and in this we have to write the codes. Okay, and this one is for the close this form. I will write it later. So first we have to write, before writing the save, first we need to generate the ID. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, now here we just need to write try clash block in the constructor of this. Okay, and try catch exception. Okay, and in this we have to write connection. We have to create the connection con equals to driver manager. Okay, we don't need to that. First we need to import package. So for that I'm just moving here and import java.sql. Okay, after that we are importing project package with a connection provider class in it, and after that we are again moved to here and connection provider class. You can see dot get connection method we imported. Okay, statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, after creating a statement we are using result set rs equals to st dot execute query, I guess. Yeah, and in this we have to just write the query. That one is select, and here I'm just going to use aggregate function count, and in this I'm just going to write ID and from question. Okay, after that we have to if rs dot next rs dot first we have to write here. Okay, and in this we have to write int id equals to rs dot get int we have to write. Okay, in this we have to write just 1. Okay, after that id equals to id plus 1, we are adding one value, one number in it. After that we need to convert that value in a string form, str, and string dot values of, and the id we have, and j label for dot set text str. Okay, if condition is completed, in it executed in that case when we have a one value in our database, one id is already exists in database. If there is not a single id exists, in that case else condition will be executed, and we are setting the j label value dot set text. We are setting the text is 1. Okay, and I'm just writing the 1. Okay, in this I'm just writing 1, and there's a maybe chance that any exception will be generated. So in that case we are using JFrame frame JF equals to new JFrame. Okay, and after that we have to JF dot set always on top. In this I'm just writing true, and after that G option and dot show message JF, and exception we are displaying it. Okay, now we have to write the code in save button. Okay, and here we are taking one by one all the values from the different fields, respective fields. The first we are taking the ID. We are taking the ID from J label. That one is our for label dot get text, and let me check out that one is label 4. We are setting in the label 4, going to the properties. You can see the label 4. Okay. After that is string name equals to j text field. We are taking a text field 1 dot get text, and after that is string we are taking opt1 equals to j text field. We have to 2 dot get text 1. Let me copy this 3 more time. Okay, let me change it one by one. 2, 3 and the 4, and we also need to change it in this side. 3, 4 and the 5. After that we at last we also need to string answer we have to take j text field. That one is for the 6 dot get text. Okay. After that we have to write for the try catch and exception e. Okay, and in this we are going to write to insert the data in our database. So first we need to create the connection con equals to connection provider class and get connection method in it. After that we are using prepared statement ps equals to con dot prepared statement okay, and in this we just need to write the query. The query is insert into, let me minimize this, insert into question, and the values here we just need to write the question mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to insert 7. That's why here we just write the 7. Okay. After that, we just need to write ps dot set string we are taking, and first we are taking and the ID automatically taken. Let me copy it 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me one by one rename it. Change to the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that we also need to change to name opt1, opt2, opt3, opt4 and so. Okay. After that we also need to save it. So for that ps dot execute update. Okay. After that we just need to display at the top. So JFrame form JF equals to we need to display the pop-up message. So that message should be in the top of the form. So that's why we are using it. JFrame JF dot set always on top true, and after that we are just writing J option pan dot show message dialog here, and in this we are displaying the messages successfully updated. Okay, and after that we also need to refresh or remove the data from the particular field. So setting the visible false, and the new visual we are also setting is the same page. Add new dot set visible, we are just setting it true, and just let me copy this part of the code and let me paste it to the catch block. Okay, let me paste to the catch block and let me remove the successfully updated. to just write it here E. Now the next thing is we need to write the course for the E. Just double click on it, move to the action of that form, that button, and here just need to write J label, J text field 1 dot, and we have to set text we are using here, and the set text is nothing. Okay, one by one we are going to set this text. 3 4 4 5 and the 6, I guess. Yeah, we having 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now we need to connect this page with our home admin home page. So for that we just need to move here and just click on it, event. Make sure that you are moving to the mouse click event. Okay, mouse clicked, and here we just need to write little bit different code, because we already created a variable in my previous video, public static int open 0. Okay, so I'm going to use it variable here. So first I'm going to open equals to that variable name is open, and that one is a static variable, and here I'm just writing new. Okay, this one is 1 equal 2 equal new up, that one is a add new question page, add new question dot set visible, and setting is to true. Okay, after setting we are setting the value of open is equals to 1. Okay, and after the we having 1, it will get back to the 0. I will explain you later. So here we just need to write, in else condition we need to display pop-up message. So JFrame, that should be at the top, JF equals to new JFrame. Okay, and GF equal to set always at top and true, and in this I'm going to display G option pan dot show message dialog here. GF I'm using, and here I'm just writing the message, one form is already open. Okay, you can see this option will be open, and add new question we need to just need to move to the close button. Just double click on it, and in this section we are changing that value, and the value is admin home dot open and equals to 1. We are setting that value is to 1. Sorry, we are setting the values to 0, getting back to the 0. Okay, after that we just need to write here set visible false. Okay, so our front end and back end part has been completed. So let me run this admin home page, and let me click on add new question. Okay, it means that java lang dot null, it means that something error in our package project. Okay, let me check it out. So here you can see that this one, you can see this one we've written. Okay, just delete it and save it. Let me close this, let me run it again, run file. Let me click on add new question, and you can see successfully open, and you can see the ID number is 1. Okay, so let me insert a question all keywords in C are in lowercase, uppercase, and the camel case, and none of these. Okay, and the correct answer is lowercase. So let me copy this and save it, and let me successfully updated. Your pop-up message will open. Let me click on OK. You can see the question IDs automatically get changes, And let me click on add new question again. You can see a pop-up message has been opened. One form is already open, so you cannot open it again. And let me write it something text and let me click on clear. You can see the text is automatically cleared. Let me close this, and after that let me open it again. You can see form is opened. So this is all about add new question part of my project. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a new JFrame for the update questions. So stay tuned with us. Please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.